Hello to everyone who is watching my videos today. And if you are a newbie on my channel, welcome to my channel. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a banana chutney using a banana. So, but before that one, I decided to show off myself because if you can notice, most of my videos, it's not all, I don't show my face because of I'm a shy person, honestly, and sometimes my tongue get hooked up, yes, so just like that, yeah. So that's why I'm always behind of the camera, but now I decide to show myself because I know many of you wanna see me. So I think I just need to embrace my shyness and I must move my mountain to get over on that. So let's go get to work today, and we're going to make some nice banana chutney that you can preserve at home. So let's go. Thank you.
The contents of the ingredients, as you see, this is a salt, and this is a curry powder, and I also make some juice out of the orange. And as you can see here, I got some orange seeds because this one is a green because of I'm using an orange from Africa, and this one is ginger. I also grated the ginger. And as you can see here, this one is the lemon, out of peel of the lemon. See, this is also an African lemon that I'm using. So this is the juice, I'm gonna need it too. And this is the raisin, seedless raisin. And I also cut some of the dates. And as you can see here, I cut all into small cubes my banana. That is too easy dissolve. And the banana got a little bit black because of after I cut, it's been exposed to the air. And this is the vinegar, 400 ml, and I put my sugar into the pots to caramelize. I like a little bit caramelized because of I like the brownness on my chutney. So what we do, we just put all this one all together. Put it all there, and the juice, all the juice, you put it all, and the dates, and the raisin, in all my grated one, in the salt, in the powder. So we just stir this all together and cook it until we get all this consistency. Okay, before I forgot, I must add now my vinegar. So this will just boil all together, and we'll come back later. Alright, after 5 minutes, you can see now it's started to boil and the color is really good now. But we are still going just to stir a little bit, and we keep cooking this one after 30 minutes, and we'll come back again for 30 minutes. It's cooking nicely. We should keep stirring this one so it can dissolve the chunks into much more nice chutney. So we'll see the finished product later. We just keep stirring until it's ready. So we'll come back again. After 30 minutes, you can see now this one is ready. It's a nice brown and almost everything dissolved, except with a little bit of banana that is still a little bit chunk, but I like that way because that is the storytelling of this is the banana chutney. Alright, so we must put this one into the bottle. So this is the real nice chutney. You can see it's a beautiful. It tastes so delicious. And I got an almost 3 bottle. This one I can put on my shelf up to in a few months, 2 to 3 months, and I finish quickly. As you can see here, I got here already. Okay, let me put it. This one is already mature. As you can see, this one is still light and this one is already dark. It will turn into black when the age. Okay, so as you can see here, the difference. Yeah, it's different than that, right? Because of the age. So let me taste again. I can't stop eating with this. Delicious. So I hope you learned something today, and I bet you must try this one because this one is always good and you can always eat with so many things, with the pasta or on a pie. It's delicious. You must try. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoy my video today, and also I hope that to see you again on my next video. And thank you, and see you. Bye bye.